Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I stand you. This time we talk about BTS Jimin win K-pop Song of the Year at iHeartRadio Award on March 17, 2025. Jimin, a member of the global pop sensation BTS, added to his accolade by winning the prestigious K-pop Song of the Year award at the iHeartRadio Music Award held in Los Angeles. His song, moved from his second solo album titled Muse, resonated with fans around the world, securing him a significant honor. This win is particularly noteworthy as it and marks Jimin first awarded as a solo artist at this annual event, a milestone that highlights his evolution beyond his success with BTS. He has been part of the group winning streak for the K-pop Song of the Year for 7 consecutive years since the 2018. But this achievement as a solo artist brings a new level of recognition to the talent. And the iHeartRadio Music Award, which has been celebrating the best in music since in the interpretation in 2040, is an event where artists are recognized based on their performances over their past year on a iHeartRadio platform. Jimin's song, Who, which has captured the heart of many who selected from a pool of songs played most frequently on the iHeartRadio during the year. Jimin's success at the award ceremony illustrates the burgeoning influence of K-pop in the global music industry. The Green has sales are remarkable and the rise in popularity with artists like Jimin and group like BTS leading the chart. The I Hate Radio event this year was abused with K-pop star. As other notable winners include the artists recognized as the K-pop Artist of the Year and Stray Kids, who were nominated for a K-pop Album of the Year for their mini album 8. And we talk about, and in addition to these accolades, the new group ILLIT took home the award for Best and the new K-pop artist Hailey Yeonjin from the Tomorrow and they won the favorite K-pop dance challenge award for the track Jijum. This recognition at the Heart Radio Music Award showcased the varied and vibrant talent present in the K-pop community, referring its place its complementary music scene. As K-pop continues to gain traction in the US and worldwide, Jimin victories bring attention not only to individual artists but also the green and the genre itself, serving the inspired new artists and solidifying the fan base that support this dynamic music style. And with Jimin journey from group success to solo acclaim, fans are eagerly anticipating what next for him. His emotional performances and dedication to his craft have won him legion of followers, and it seems this latest achievement will only amplify his artist output and influence in the coming year. The iHeartRadio Music Award and the remains a significant barometer of what's trending in music, and Jin Late has been his testament to the rising prominence of the K-pop in the industry as artists like him push the boundary of genre and cultural exchange. All eyes are on what innovation and the collaboration might emerge from the vibrant music landscape. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.